Now, the other type of equation we're going to look at are square root equations. Now, these you have to be really careful about checking your answers. The reason is that you can actually come up with the solution, do everything right, and the solutions still don't work. We'll take a look at that. Let's say we have this. Now, the trick with these is we want to square so we can eliminate those square roots. So square both sides. The square and the square root cancel. 3x plus 18 is x squared. So let's subtract 3x from both sides, subtract 18 from both sides. 0 is x squared minus 3x minus 18. And what you could do is you could use the quadratic formula. That will solve this equation. Also, we could try factoring it using guess and check. So two numbers that add up to -3 but multiply to -18. -6 and 3. So that means we can rewrite this. It's x minus 6, x plus 3. And again, using the zero product principle. Well, 0 means a times b. Well, that means either a is 0 or b could be 0. So this is 0 when x equals 6. This will be 0 when x is -3. So this would seem to be our solutions, but we want to check these. We want to check them in the original equation. So for x is 6, we replace the x's with 6. Does this equal 6? Well, sure enough, it does. And you might be wondering, what about the plus or minus here? This is a positive square root. When we solve something like this, we solve for x. What we're asking for is what number times itself gives you 4. Well, that is +2. But also, -2 times -2 will also give you 4. Now notice with the positive, we don't put a plus sign in front of it, we just leave it blank. Now if we combine the two, we typically combine them. Because we just put the -2, we might not always interpret the blank on top of the minus as meaning positive. So okay, at this point, to combine it, well, just to make the writing a little simpler, I guess. But really, this is the way to bind it. And when there's nothing on the 2, that means it's positive. Same thing here. So this is a positive root. And so the positive square root of 36 is 6. Now let's try -3. So is 3 times -3 plus 18 equal to -3? Already we see a problem here. Positive, negative. It's not going to work. And you could go through and do the calculation. -9 plus 18, -3, and we'll get the square root of 9 is -3, but this is the positive square root. That means we're going to get a +3. That does not equal -3. This doesn't work. So for this problem, 6 is the only answer. That's it.